Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can test your keyboard's keys online. For example, if you bought a new keyboard and if you want to test that keyboard, you can do that process online. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to search for keyboard tester. Once you hit that keyboard test online, once you do that, just simply hit enter and open this first website that appear right in front of you. It could be any website, all works same. Now here it will open something like this. From here you can easily check all the keys that of your keyboard that are working perfectly or not. You can check if the keys respond from at the screen same as you tap them on your keyboard, and by this method you can easily check if your keyboard is working fine or not. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.